Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have yet another birthday entry for you guys today. I went out to St. Louis and early morning and came home to something that was very unexpected. She did tell me she was going to bring it, but I didn't realize it was going to be this. So this is entry number 50. Well, she doesn't want to be counted in it, but this is what she dropped off. This is my crafty ninja, Roseanna. Look at what she left me at my door, guys. Oh my god, can you see all this? This good yummy stuff. This box is huge. Sorry to make you all dizzy. But I'm gonna move the box aside, and then we're gonna go through it because this baby is full. And she left this on my door. My doorstep. I thought it was gonna be a little box. Here is her note. Look at her little unicorn. It's so cute with the purple and the glitter. Oh my gosh. Eileen, this is a mix of my entry to your giveaway, but don't enter me and some of your birthday gifts that didn't arrive in time. I'm so happy that you reached more than 46 memory decks entries. Love to you, my friend Roseanna. Oh my gosh, girly. Oh my gosh, you guys need to see this, okay? Let me just show you the gorgeous things that she has found at the Dollar Tree. Look at this. These beauties. Definitely going to be putting these out for my Halloween. I don't know, she might have gotten this down in Florida, but I'm not sure. And then she also got the thread. I saw Patty, Mommy and Me Crafts, share this just like last night, maybe? I don't know. But it's very pretty and very useful. And I love that it's purple. Thank you, Roseanna. She also put in some glitter, and I think this is also the Walmart glitter. I might be wrong. It might be somewhere else, but I love this glitter. I have a few in my stash right now, not purple. But you see what she's doing here? You see this? You see all the beautiful color? And then, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Hot mess citation. Knock, knock, nifty notes. And it says, yikes. Seems you're having some serious trouble keeping together your epic combination of instability and shameless dysfunction. Guarantees all eyes are on you. Trust me, that's not a good thing. One says, lack of volume control, mascara tears, table dance fail. Oh my god, table dance fail. Oh my god, oversharing with strangers, flirting with the boss, shaved chest, bathroom selfies, criminal trendiness, inappropriate sobbing, lollipop as prop. Oh my god, perpetual lateness, excessive lip inflammation, excessive pec flexation. Oh my gosh, permanent bedhead, manic laughter, crazy eyes, misuse of muffin top. Calling everyone bro, narcissism as way of life, napping at work. Oh my god. That's what the little sticky note looks like. She's hilarious. Oh my god. You see this bucket right here? Come in for a spell. So she felt these things were in here, okay? And the bucket has some beautiful purple flowers. Look at that. So pretty. And she also, when did you find all the purple? Because when I went, they didn't have any. But these are pumpkin, like vase fillers, and they're purple glitter. Oh my gosh, we could do so many things with that. And she found foam stickers. These are different. I've not seen these. Wow, these I think are Dollar General or Family Dollar, one of the two. So it looks like it's the same. Yes. So guess what? Ooh, I'm gonna share. And then she also picked up 2 of these. Oh my gosh. She's got the cats and the skulls and the Frankensteins and the pumpkins and the purple bats. Oh my gosh, and purple crossbones, I think. One of spiders. Oh wow. And there's bats and cats and crossbones. Wow. So definitely gonna share with everybody. Well, with several. And then these are just the glitter count. And there's 50 in this pack. There's 80 in this one. So many to share with. And then 50 in this one. Oh my gosh, Roseanna. So you see how this little bucket box came out? This is not a box, this is a bucket. So that's how she had them. Somewhat. It was probably prettier than that. But oh my gosh. And she does not want to be entered. Unbeknownst to me. And look at this. Oh my gosh, this is the Princess and the Frog. Tiara. Tiana? Oh my gosh, I forgot what her name is. But look at what this is. She's got it on a lanyard. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't have anything like this. This is beautiful. This is going on my wall. She's got to be right there. Princess Tiara, something like that. Oh my gosh, the box is still going. So she also got some mini glass jars. Girl, I have some. It's on my shelf over here. She also has these with the cork. These are all Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree. But when I went, they didn't have the ones with the cork. So thank you. Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. She also has the little ones. She found the little ones. Oh my gosh, Roseanna. Oh my goodness, Roseanna. I gotta get you back, girl. Oh, looky. So she must have got these in Florida, because look at this. There's the castle. So there's 2 castles in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're the same. They're the same. That is so cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These are new to the Dollar Square or Crafter Square. And then this one, oh my gosh. It's a jar of stickers. It's in a mason jar pocket. You guys have all hauled it. I never did. Oh, I love this little Ziploc bag. And they look like this. Little mermaids. They're transparent stickers. And they're kind of dimensional. Well, they are dimensional. I want to say puffy, but they're not. So they're just a layer of... Oh, it's not hard plastic. It's so weird. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a whole mason jar of these beautiful stickers. There's even clamshells in there and starfish. So pretty, Roseanna. Thank you so much. Oh my God, girl. Oh. Look, you guys. Look who said she's not crafty. Look who said she is not crafty. Okay? I'm just saying. She done did her thing. I need to get into this bag. So let's get into her little memory dex card. I don't care. I want to get into her card now. So she used the Hooray collection. She stitched her tool to the memory decks with her shaker bits. Look at all her sequins in there. Look at her. She did it. She's a crafter. She's a crafter, guys. We turned Roseanna into a crafter. So she's got some vellum, oh gosh, pennants. This one says yay, yay, yay. This says hooray. We got a birthday cake here. And this one says happy. It's the happiest of birthdays to you. And she's got some chipboard stickers. Got the llama with the pom-poms. Isn't that cute? There's a little present. She did fabulous. She knows what she's doing. She knows what she's doing. Look at this beautiful memory deck card. She knows what she's doing. And then her info she has here is Roseanna, and then she said, when I crafted, I enjoy paper crafts, specifically making banners. I love Halloween. I enjoy supporting everyone's YouTube channels and small businesses. This memory deck was purchased from Anna the Oh my God. Roseanna, son of a biscuit. Okay, she is not a crafter. She bought this from Ada, our girl Ada, who also, she also has a, oh gosh, she sells her stuff, but I don't know if it's Etsy. I'm not sure, but I'll try to put her link in the description box below. And girl, you got me good, because, oh my gosh, why didn't I recognize that? I saw her make this, or she shared it on her YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this beautiful memory dex card, courtesy of Ada, our girl. So there you go, Roseanna. You got me good, girl. And what the heck, lady? Oh my God, she got the bubble wands. These are the Halloween bubble wands. I don't know where she got these. I don't know where she got these, but these are so cool. There's a skull, there is a cat, and a pumpkin. Yeah, that's it. And it's a 24 count bubble wand. And are these glass? No, this has to be plastic, like hard plastic. Yeah. But anyways, oh my goodness, lady. Crazy lady girl. Oh my God. What in the world? She got me clear bags. Not 1, not 2, 3. This one's in her stash, and she's just giving it to me. I'm hoping she didn't buy any for me. These are 4 3/4 size bags by 7 inches. Yeah. They're all 4 by 7s. Yep. 4 3/4 by 7 inches. There you go, guys. Clear bags. What in the world, lady? Wow. This is so cool, but thank you so much. Roseanna, I gotta get you back. Oh my God. How do you get you back? How do I get you back? This is insane. That's not even it, guys. That's not even all of it. Let me show you what else she put in here. You guys know what these are? You know what these are? Those ice cream bowls, the dishes, and then it has a lid. Like those little yogurt to-go cups. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, I can't wait to craft with these. These are so cute. And you got a little feet on the bottom. These are not from Dollar Tree. So I will have to ask her where she got these, because these are gonna be so fun to play with. To craft up some pretty little projects. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. She also has some erasers. Oh gosh, these are the mom size erasers. They're like about 1 inch. They're 1 inch big, guys. Oh my gosh. So she's got the skeleton and the pumpkin and the cat. Oh my gosh, Roseanna, this is crazy. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful package. You shouldn't have. Oh my gosh, and then she's got the jot erasers. Oh yeah, we're gonna go make these some charms and turn them into tassels. I see people are making tassels now with a big pencil eraser. toppers, pencil toppers. So I'm excited for that. I love seeing that. She also got me some boo bags. Alvina also sent me some. So thank you, Roseanna. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. We're gonna put a Halloween giveaway together. No sending me anything. This one is some wood shapes from Target. Happy Halloween. Oh, they're all the same. So that is so cool. Oh my goodness. I love that. That's great for the bookbinders. The binder embellishment binders to put on the spine. And girl, where did you find this? Crafter Square adhesive metallic sheets. They're 6x8. Oh my goodness. So she has metallic here, and she's got glitter. They already have adhesive on them. Roseanna, girl. Oh my gosh. And look, they even show you that you can run it through your die cut machine and cut out your shapes. Not that we don't know that we can do that, but isn't that cute? This must have been in Florida, or when she went out of town. Oh my gosh, Roseanna. Let's see these colors. Yes. Oh yeah. These are adorable. I think these are the same. It's just repackaged to smaller sizes. Yeah. Because I picked up these colors. Yeah. And the glitter is great because nothing comes off the paper. But this is a new color to me. I've never seen this color. This one. Oh, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I've never seen that color. And then there's silver. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Roseanna, thank you so much. Wow. You did not have to do all this, girlie. This is way over. Oh my gosh. I appreciate you so much. You don't even know. What the heck? Wow. I don't know if I've seen these though. These are the mirrored. Look at those colors. That's gold. There's pink or rose gold. Rose. I'll call this rose. Gold and like a pink, a dark pink, and silver. Oh my gosh, did I blind you all yet? But those are the colors. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell. But those are gorgeous. And the last thing she did was, what is this? What? Always be a mermaid in a sea of fish. Oh my gosh, wow. What is this? Let me open this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to frame this. Put it in the craft room. Oh yeah. Oh, there's two. What? Girl? Is this for me? Oh. Oh, it's two. So it's a picture set. So there's two pieces. You just frame them. Oh my gosh, you can't even see. So one has a tail, a mermaid tail. Let me see. So this is the first one, and it looks like glitter. And then the second one says, always be a mermaid in a sea of fish. And this is huge. I don't know what size this is. Let me see. It is 11 by 14? Sure is. Man, I'm good. It's 11 by 14. So Dollar Tree carries some frames. 11 by 14. Oh my gosh, really? Roseanna, what? Why did you do that? Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, girl. This is way over my head. Oh my god. I can't even fit everything that's in here. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. That is all of it, guys. This is insane. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I don't know what to say anymore. Guys, she's an amazing woman. She doesn't do YouTube, but she does share little bits of herself on Instagram. And like she said, she just likes to support small businesses and us crafters. So go send her some love on Instagram. And thank you, Roseanna, from the bottom of my heart. I don't know what to say. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.